Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security says an investigation is underway to ensure the legality of foreign nationals who operate Wholehearted Car Services Company in Ferry Pen, St. Catherine.
But before, TVJ News visited the business establishment Wednesday night and early Thursday.
Scores of motorists have been flocking the establishment to see the Chinese mechanics who have gained popularity among Jamaicans.
Ramarda Lyons reports.
9 p.m. Wednesday, one woman sits in her car, the only person in line at the Chinese-owned WH car service. In the black of night, along the lonely roadway, she planned to camp out to roll in like a well-oiled machine when the business opened Thursday morning, a sheet on her seat.
Oh yeah, I am first in the line. But everybody's talking about this. So everybody, just like with KFC just open, everybody want to try it. So I'm here to try it out.
This, she says, is a big deal. She has an issue with her engine, and like everyone else who's been turning up, she's in pursuit of a cheap, lasting fix. She first went there 5 a.m. Wednesday.
Come on, everybody want to save our money. Line from over that side, go all the way back round. There's another pathway down there, so. Cars on the sidewalk.
Later, she was eventually asked to leave by the police. As we waited on the outskirts, this man made his way out to moonlight. He arrived in sunlight.
My number was 40. Others who were there with me, they got 9, 7, 8, 10, etc. And so they were able to get out of there before midday. While my number 40, I'm only getting out here now about 9 p.m.
He said it was worth it. After visiting local experts, he was told a fix would cost him hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Between $180,000 to $250,000 because I was told by a transmission expert that I needed a new transmission.
He said he got transmission fluid, paid for it, and paid for a scanning from the Chinese mechanics. At what cost?
In total, $30,500, and I'm able to drive home, and I'm very happy.
Others shared a similar experience.
In less than 5 minutes, I was diagnosed the problem with my car. Catalytic converter, the airbag, rear airbag, and 2 side airbags were also in need of repairs. And the cost, they told me, $30,000. When I checked around, I was told that that's a bargain.
Now, Thursday morning, scores of motorists waited at the gate, a security guard checking names on a paper like a teacher in a classroom, many using translators to communicate. Parked cars stretch for meters. An inoperative car here dragged to the location with a rope, and we saw this notice at the gate. Quote, "We're truly sorry. Over 800 vehicles are currently waiting for service. We cannot offer same-day service." End quote. It wasn't there the night before. Inside, some people far down in the queue wait patiently.
They are 17. But them are going, man. Them have a buzz. But I'm glad some of the in and out there.
Miss Claudine was one of them on the outside with her bus. Driving all the way from Clarendon, she was eager to converse.
A bumper drop off, and like a fender and a bumper bus. Some of them want to get everything sorted out. I want them to clip up back neat. And look brand new back.
What timeline they give you?
They don't give me any time. Then say they will call me.
A little distance from her, this man was frustrated. It's a good deal, he admitted, but the wait time is the deal breaker.
When I come and hear say the amount of people we select, I have to wait 1 month to get my thing deal with, boy. The 1 month kind of throw me off. I wish the Chinese them could have bring in some more on.
Still, he's handing out warnings.
Car dealer, car parts place, a mechanic, saddle up. New guest in town.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.